It's a 2012 BMW 5 Series. With its exceptionally good looks, powerful performance, and refined style, it transforms your driving experience. 2012's recalibrated the throttle for less lag than the previous year. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the console, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power tilting steering column, auto dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive explained the modular BMW interior, much of which finds its way into models from the top of the line to the bottom, is handsome and contemporary. It is the epitome of sophistication in turbocharged form. Welcome to your oasis. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.